YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. Dan back in the lab. You don't know a code already, you know. Yeah, man, we're there with Mr. Duns himself. Yeah, man, we're there with Jamal, the one named Traphouse. Right, check it out and see it. The dog of the video. You see me I say? You don't know the 3-9 bars, you know. Always I come with some bangers, some hits, some vibes. And we are with their feet. You see me I say, gang? So before we jump in there, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Help your boy grow strong. The channel is growing, man. You already know, man. It's a vibe. We're chilling. You don't know, say. You're tuning to the best reaction channel. You don't know. Let's get it. Jamal, Traphouse. Let's get it.
Tality music, yo, tality music. 3-9, dance. 3-9, we live in a, yeah, we live in a trap for a reason. Yeah, we live in a trap for a reason.
I mean, we in a lab for a reason, you know, Dan Mafia, don't it? Let's get it.
Hustle hard from morning till evening. Yeah, we live in a trap for a reason. Yeah, we live in a trap house. Touch 8 o'clock, me not clock out. Sing about the trap, me not rat out. Account me happy now, account.
Hey, I don't know what the trap life, you know that. I don't know what trap house, you know what I'm saying? Machine over there, so food over there, so now also all type of things are going. Hey, I don't know what that, you know. Hey.
Trap me now rat out. Account me happy now, account. No. Me send the shoes box, go to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I saw you see the bricks, them pack out. No. The game and nothing for your cap over. The dunce them rich, nothing for cap out. We live in a trap for a reason. We live in a trap for a reason. Hustle hard from morning till evening. Trap for a reason. Trap for a reason. Yeah, we
yo, in the day I do it for a reason. You see me and say when I just do things to do things. You see me, there's a reason between go on.
Live in a trap for a reason.
Ambition, hopes, dreams, goals.
When me come from, me no see no other way. So me make every day become a regular day. Design on me way, how much money me pay. Couple milk on the chain, I 1 kilo away. Before the hype on the fame, me been in the game. Bench on the lane, remember in my name. Your girl been at your brain. Time wasted can never regain. Just believe in yourself.
That's facts. Time wasted can never go on.
If I remember we trap for a reason.
Yes.
We live in a trap for a reason. We are also from morning till evening. Yeah, we live in a trap for a reason. Trap for a reason. Trap for a reason. Yeah, we live in a trap house. Touch 8 o'clock, me not clock out. Sing about the trap, me not rat out. Account me happy now, account. Me send the shoes box, go to 𝐑𝐿𝐿𝐿. I saw you see the bricks, them pack out. The game and nothing for your cap over. The dunce them rich, nothing for cap out.
Go on, Joe.
We live in a trap for a reason. We live in a trap for a reason. Hustle hard from morning till evening. Trap for a reason. Trap for a reason. Yeah, we live in a trap for a reason. 3-9 I quote when it's trap for a reason. You don't have to believe in me. Just believe in yourself when I ball and door boss. Ambassador girls are drugs, take your money below. 3-9. Whole girl think of it. Kingston. Whole Jamaica. Yo, tality music. I mean I say girl for you. Them have to just believe in themselves, if you know what I mean. We live in a 5150.
That we?
Yeah, man, Jamal, Traphouse. You see me and say, living in a trap here. I go make a zone out. I remember some things I go lie to you. You see me and say, big up to big up to your Dunce boss. You see me, 3-9 boss. You see me and say, Jamal, what the name Traphouse. You see me and say, guys, let me know no thoughts and comments in the comment section. You already know what time it is, man. We're back and fully active with the bangers. You already know what time it is, guys. Drop your comments, man. We're fully active. Let me know what I want.